Hello, Facebook. Hi, everybody. Jamie and Sebastian here. This is my little grandson. Say hi. Say hello. Hi, everybody. Yeah, so Sebastian made his Facebook Live debut with Marcus on Tuesday, and now he's going to do a Facebook Live with Grandma. Oh, yeah, say hi. He's so excited. You guys can't see him. He's kicking his legs. He's super excited. Say hello, everybody. You say hi? He's so excited. All right, well, I haven't done a Facebook Live in quite a while, so I thought I would bring a cocktail of the day to you today. I'm gonna make something super simple. I'm gonna make a Limoncello Spritz. Spritzes have been super popular lately, and I just thought I would make a limoncello one, and you can make this easily at home. You're gonna say hi? Say hello. So let's see, tonight is Friday, July, say the 14th or the 15th? 15th, 14th? 14th, July 14th, and Albie is here tonight. We are busy, so if you plan on coming in, please call and make a reservation. We are going to have a really busy night. Albie starts playing at 7 o'clock tonight, so 7 to 10, and we'd love to see you. If not, we are open tomorrow. We're open Sunday, Monday. Yeah, are you excited? Look how excited you are. You're so happy. So this is Sebastian. This is my grandson. He is 6 months old. And if you come into Aroma Time, you can catch Sebastian helping out, walking around with us quite a bit. So he's here a lot. Say hi, Sebastian. And all right, I am going to make a limoncello spritz. So we're going to churn this a little bit so you can see what I'm making. So I'm going to be using limoncello from I can never say it right, Consigli Figli. I'm going to be using Fantanel Prosecco, and I'm going to top it off with this Sicilian lemonade from Fever Tree. So, all right, if you're watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, put hashtag replay. I always like to see who's watching. So I'm going to add a little ice to my cup. Okay, my wine glass. You can make this in any glass. You don't necessarily have to make it in a wine glass. I am going to add about 1.5 ounces of limoncello. You probably can't see me, so I'll turn this down a little bit. Say hi, Sebastian. Hi, everybody. All right, so about 1.5 ounces of limoncello. I am going to top it off with some Prosecco. You can use any sparkling wine. If you prefer cava, you can use cava. And then I'm going to top it off with my lemonade. So super simple drink. You can make it at home. You can make it anywhere. It's a really great summer drink. And Sebastian loves glasses, so I'm going to try to keep that away from him. And mix it on up a little bit here. Put a lemon. So I make these dried lemons. So you can put a fresh lemon in there and give it a taste. Oh, what a lovely, refreshing lovely drink on a hot summer day. Say hi to everybody, Sebastian. This is Sebastian, if you're just joining me. I'm live here at the Aroma Time Bar. If you have not been in a while, our bar has grown. I'll give you a little tour, because I can turn this now. We're getting ready to be open tonight. So this is our bar. Look at that, and there's Erin on the other side. I don't know if you can see her. There's Erin. Erin's behind the bar tonight. I'll be around. Albie's here, because I think we'll need more than one hand behind the bar. And I'm sure you'll be able to catch little Sebastian around. Say hello. And so that is it for today. A limoncello spritz from Sebastian and I here at Aroma Time. I will be trying to do a lot more videos, more Facebook Lives in the next couple of weeks. And so catch me then. Monday night is lobster night, and we'll see everybody soon. Cheers, and have a great drink today.